Everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad, ano itong narinig ko for today's video na handa na si Eman umpisahan. Charis! Ang bagong laban for today's video. Patungkol ba ito kay Jillian and everything? Charis! So, titignan natin yung mga bagong chismis dito. So, without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tingnan natin. Ay, hello. Wait lang. Big boy talaga siya. Ano na big boy? Ano na big boy? Big boy kasi talaga siya eh. Ay, oh. Pogi talaga yun, no? Diba? Okay. Gwapo niya talaga. Ay! Baby pa nun si Eman. Ay! Bago to ah.
Nervous.
Ba't pala
Na-excite ka, nakita siya, pero ako hindi.
Hindi.
Okay. Ay.
You're the reason that I stay, yeah. Every time I start to contemplate, yeah. Me and your beautiful escape, yeah. I don't want it any other way, yeah. We could go leave it late, I don't care what they say. Put the brakes, we don't have to stay. We don't call you boss, say you quit. I don't care what it costs, I'm convinced we should run away. We don't run away. We don't have to stay.
Okay. Ay, ito yung pauwi siya. Mag-isa lang ba siya dito? Anyways. Ay. Si Pai. Ay. Ito. Mas maganda po ano? Mas maganda pa yung kanina kaysa sa totoong laban niya eh.
Bisaya. Basta Bisaya, gahi. Shout out sa mga Bisaya diya.
Basta Bisaya, guys. Excited na si ano,
How does it feel for this overflowing success you're receiving now and experiencing today?
First, I want to thank God for this blessing and I want to thank the people and Mami Virgie for accepting me in their product po. And I'm very thankful for the warm welcome po. Hello mga kapuso, this is Eman Bacosa Pacquiao and I'm inviting you to the Sparkle Run 2026 this coming May 30 sa Quirino Grandstand. Tag your running buddies and run with us. Scan the QR code to register. Kita-kits mga kapuso.
Ay, oo, kita-kits. Ayan siya. Pupunta siya. Wala na. Saan ba naman? Charing. Pupunta nga siya.
You look like your mom. Do you have more of this? How much is this?
How much is this? Mechanical engineering siya, Grabe.
You and Sam,
Isa sa
I
mga
will give you
pinaka-message
discount because of cyanide.
Nakakaloka.
The way you walk, the way you understand me, the way you move, the way you just whisper me, the way you touch, the way you
Ay, hello. Iba talaga siya, oh. Pang-hardcore talaga siya, ma'am. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, hardcore talaga siya. Diba? Wala na, charing. Ay, hinalikan. Sana all. Ay, bago to ah. Baby boy, bata pa siya talaga. Kamusta na tayo si Jillian? Oh, niya. Ay, charik. Ay. Yes. Ang galing niya mag-drums. Ay, ala, ang dami niya pala talagang mga TikTok. Bakit naman magulo? Hindi naman magulo, Eman. Charik! Eman! Ems!
Mahal, sino ba naman ang di
Diba? Sino nga bang hindi makukumaling dyan? Sino bang hindi makukumaling dyan for today's video? Yung totoo, tingnan nyo. Sabihin nyo. Okay.
135.4
Ay, hello.
pounds.
Fuck. What's next? Ay. Ay, ito. Kahapon lang to. Ito yung mga BTS niya. Eh. Ganun ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Ay. Anyways, that is all for today's video. This is Kihibo Vlogs. See you on the next vlog. Bye.